In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change address on Uber Eats. Let's get started. First, launch your Uber Eats app and make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll be directed to the home page. Now you can go through the items and select the items that you want to order. You can add the items to the basket. Then you can navigate to the basket page. Then you can proceed to checkout. You'll be prompted to enter your payment option. Once you select that, you will be directed to this page. From here, you are able to change your address. All you have to do is click on the option address. Now search for the address that you want to set for your Uber Eats. Or also you can search for the specific address that you want to set for Uber Eats account. Once you do that, your Uber Eats address will be updated. And that's it. This is how you can easily change your Uber Eats address. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.